Y'all loved my Bolero Shrug video, so guess what? I made another one, and this time I'm giving you the Cliff Note version. You're welcome. For today's tutorial, I'm using 3 skeins of Yarn Beast Dream Supreme and an 8mm hook. We are going to start by making a slip knot, and we're going to chain 23. And just to make sure that you know it's going to fit you, or if this is going to be for a child, you want to make sure that what you're chaining right now, you can wrap it around the biggest part of your arm, near or around your bicep. So for me, my arm, I needed to make 23, and I'm about a size medium for my top. However, I do have really long arms, so I do tailor that to my own needs as well. All right, I have my 23. For row 1, we are going to single crochet starting from the second chain from our hook. We're just going to insert our hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. We're going to do that all the way down. Now that my row 1 is finished, I'm going to chain 2, turn my work to the left, and now I'm going to double crochet. Moving yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is going to be the main stitch for this entire piece. And I'm just going to take this time to remind you, if you like this video or you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a like, leave a comment. It really helps other people find my videos, and it helps me know as a content creator that you're liking my content. Just as a reference, my width is going to be 15.5 inches long. It might be different for you. This is going to be a long piece. And I kind of gauge everything as I go. I don't have an exact number. You're going to hold your arms out in front of you like a zombie. And I told y'all I have long arms, and it's a pet peeve of mine for my wrist to be showing. So I crochet all the way to my knuckles. Now I'm going to be putting a stitch marker, and it's going to mark how long I want my sleeves to be. Go all the way to your armpit. Like, don't be afraid. I was afraid at first, and I kept having to go back in, so just go ahead and go straight there. You're going to fold your piece in half, and now we're going to mark where we want our other sleeve. So you're just going to find where you put the first stitch marker. So now they are going to be the exact same size. Now we're going to fold it the other way, and then I'm going to sew it all the way to where my stitch marker is. I'm starting at one end and meeting at the stitch marker for both ends. And we are almost finished with our fancy little bolero. I don't know if any of you other crocheters have any cats, but my cat's about to join me in a second on the desk. And if anybody has ever joined any of my lives, then I'm pretty sure you've seen her face before. She absolutely loves laying on my crochet desk, or pretty much anything that I'm working on. I always feel so bad when I'm like laying on the couch crocheting a blanket and she's laying on top of it, and I need to go to the next row and I have to make her get off every time I need to turn it around. Once you're finished with this sleeve, you're going to repeat this on the other side, and then you're going to inside it out and weave all your tails in. And this is what you're going to be left with. And it's completely optional. You can also cinch your sleeves like I did in my last video. So it is a little bit more fitted onto your wrists, but I actually kind of like it like this. And if you love functional crochet, guys, you are going to have to check out my next video, one of the cutest handbags I've ever made. And if you cannot see the linked video right now, then the video hasn't come out yet. It is coming out very soon, so stay tuned. I promise you're gonna love it.